girl. If it's about the quality, no na lang, guys. Huwag na. Hello, guys. I'm here in front of you. And wala na ako. Like, yung snail white na sa Crescents. Ayoko na. So, mamadali na lang natin to lahat. Kasi, pag mamadali na tayo, baka tapos na silang mag-prepare doon sila Rhea. What? Hey. Nakakapano talaga yung stress, guys. Just want to let you know, ha? Ang dami ko sinasabi. So, every time, iput a toner, guys, lagyan nyo rin yung lagyan nyo rin yung dito nyo. And then, now, I'm gonna use, wait lang. So, move, Maxi, moves. I'm gonna put sunscreen. Excuse me, mister. Someone is here. Like, you see? Someone is here. It's there. Like, so I'm using my sunscreen. Kasama ng, sunscreen na tayo. Because that's very important. Kasi ang super init sa labas. And time check, it's already, oh my god, it's 4:01 na. OMG, it's 4:01 na. So, madali na lang tayo, guys. Magmadali na lang. Yan, and then, gagamitin natin yung colorette natin. Open natin yung colorette natin. So, mag-base tayo. Guys, gusto ko bumili ng mini. Konti lang kasi, a little goes a long way. Alam mo din? So, oh my god, parang nakadami yata yung ko. See that first base? Kasi, sakto-sakto lalabas kami, diba? So, ayan. Oh no! Mamadali na talaga yung ate niya. Yun yung first base. So, sorry guys, wala akong second base. Just to let you know. Napadami nyo ito sa ko, sa forehead ko. Yung first base is in Oslob. I used Oslob. Kasi Cebuana tayo, guys. So, ayan siya. Light with olive undertone. So, ayan siya, guys. And then, Squad Cosmetics. Diba, ang ganda ng Squad Cosmetics na yan. Ayan, yan siya. Ganda. Girl Fix. It's from Squad Cosmetics. Double-ended siya, guys. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, no? It's very, like, newbie-friendly siya, guys. Like, hindi naman yan. Hey. I can really say na hindi talaga ako marunong mag-line ng aking eyebrows. But, with the use of this, like, it's just easy. Ayan siya. Magdita naman yata ng ating ngayon, ng ating kilay ngayon. So, ayan siya, guys. Akala naman din na hindi ako magkikilay. Kaso, hey, what are you doing? So, ang nakaganda nito, guys, pala, is they have primer. Yun yung base or primer nito. So, I'm gonna use this one. Ewan ko gagamit ko talaga ako ng Hindi gagamit ako. So, by hand na lang, guys, kasi nagmamadali na talaga ako, guys. Ayan siya, guys. And I'm so happy, guys, kasi they replace it na. I'm gonna show you the video. Inano ko na lang siya. So, mamabilin tayo. So, yun lang. Oh, wait. Ito lang siguro yung gagamitin ko. So, I'm gonna use this one. The Midtown. I'm gonna use the Midtown. Yun na lang. For overall na lang siguro friend ko, but I'm using this one. B, it's just hanging, B. Alam ko, magtatagal to sa mukha ko. Alam ko, guys. Kasi tried ko na to, so. Nasa base talaga yan, guys. Nasa base talaga. So, ayan. And then, magka-curl na ako ng lashes ko. Girl. I'm torn between this one and this one for my blush. So, let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get, and then I'm just gonna get here and then okay, and then put it here. But hindi tayo nagtatapos dyan because I'm gonna top it with mascara, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing. Ang sumusok ko kasi tingin naman boys. Yan yun. I like that. Like glittery lang siya, guys. I like that. Oh. Tingnan natin paglabas natin mamaya. And then nilalagay na kayo ng lashes natin. Super stay. Yun. Look at the face. Look at this and this. So glowing. At dahil gusto natin ng mga glowy effect na yan, lagyan natin dito banda ng same green sakura. Ito on. Hindi naman yun, guys. It's okay. Ito na lang. Kunin mo lang yan. Oh no! What's that? Ano yan? Uy! Akong lips. Ako ng lip scrub from Human Nature. I'm gonna be doing this. So wait. I'm gonna do my lashes with Corey Maz, and then of course with our Anjo Zerma. This is my go-to na talaga, guys, you know. Love this lashes kasi hindi siya agad-agad nasisira. Girl. Talaga, like, hindi talaga siya agad-agad nasisira. I mean, like, ewan ko. But hindi siya agad-agad nasisira. And that's what I like kasi ayoko naman nang maglalagay na nga ako ng lashes. Pero, agad-agad nasisira. What's that? I know na even there, makakakuha mo pa nga lang ng lashes na yan, eh, sira na. I actually have one, no? And ayoko sa kanya. Gusto ko siya kasi booklet siya. Parang siyang booklet, but girl, if it's about the quality, no na lang, guys. Huwag na. Wait. Parang wala na naman yung lash. Yung glue. Wala na naman yung glue ko. Helps. So, ayan. I just finished my lashes. And what I'm gonna do now is mag-lipstick na lang ako. So, ayan guys. Nagamit ko na yung Corey Maz. So, I only have 8 sets left. Thank you so much, Hermes, for this one. I really love this. Like, no need for me to go for an appointment for lash extensions, right? So now I'm gonna do my lipstick. So, no, not this one. It is Vice's Method. Ang ganda ng kulay, grabe. At ang mga bango. Yes, good. Look here then. So, wait. Ang bango. So that's it. I'm gonna go. It's already 4:36 and I'm gonna go to my best friend's house. We're gonna have a date. So bye.